Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Allure for September. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Allure for September just arrived and it's in a completely different box and it just had a mailing label directly onto this. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. I think that's kind of cool, these cool new little boxes. And I like the colors now. They're just white and silver, nice and classy. So let's see what we have in here. Ooh, there's that. And there are our samples for this month. So let's see, they still have their book, which that's good. Do I have a NARS product in here? I do, it was hidden. There's a NARS product in here. Holy NARS, you guys. Okay, this is $27 and this is NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dulce Vita, maybe? But NARS, oh my goodness, NARS product. If you guys do not know about Allure Beauty, they are $15 a month with free shipping. And what? Look, we have NARS. That is awesome, you guys. So there's a little speck of glitter. All right, yeah, there was a little speck of glitter. There's the color. Let's swatch this baby. So not too dark. Not too dark. Let's see. NARS, you guys. So there we go. I actually like that. I actually really do like that, you guys. So this is the first item that is in here, and this already pays for the entire box. And honestly, I don't really care what else is left in here. I got a NARS product. Okay, so the next thing is from Ciate London. This is Dewy Stick, a Luminous Highlighting Balm. So there's the packaging. It's a mirrored image, so you get to see my phone. And this guy here says $26, and I'm going to assume this is a full size because I wouldn't imagine this big old thing being a sample size. And there's that. Okay, I see you. So I put it right there in the middle of my hand. Let's see. I've never put on a stick before. Like, do you see it? Okay, I see you. Let's see. I see it more in person than what's picking up on the camera, but I do see it. That's nice and subtle. Ooh. I've never had a cream, I've never used a cream highlighter before, but look at that. You can see it that way. So Ciate London Dewy Highlighting Stick, and it is dewy. It is very moist, balmy, I would say. This highlighter is clear and glitter free, so it gives you a lit from within look in the most natural way possible. It is foolproof. Just tap it on your cheekbones and achieve a dewy sheen. You can use it on your eyelids too for all over radiance. The highlighter gets its glow from superfine pearlescent pigments and has a pretty golden tint. It's universally flattering way to attract light to the high points of your face without looking made up, and even through the balm. It doesn't feel heavy on your skin. No, and it doesn't. Doesn't feel heavy on my skin, but I can see it in my mirror up close more than what I can see on camera. I like that. All right, 2 for 2, holy moly, you guys. Next we have is a Cure Brightening Facial Scrub. And on this one, the full size would be $9.99 for a 4 ounce. This is a 1 ounce, so it's definitely not full size, but you get to try it to see if you want to get the full size, which I appreciate. Then we have Perfect Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. Good job. I don't like when they give you one versus the other. Here are the shampoo and conditioner. The full size would be $14 each for, looks like 11.5 fluid ounce. And this is a 1 fluid ounce. So there's a shampoo and conditioner. I will definitely try that out. I'm always looking for a good shampoo and conditioner. So there's a safety seal. Let me smell this guy. That's my deal breaker when it comes to shampoo and conditioner, because I love it to smell good. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good. It just smells like a, I don't know. It smells kind of like it has essential oils in it. I don't know. So there's a shampoo and conditioner. And the last item in here is La Richie Posay. This is a soothing gel relief cream. A soothing relief cream. Dermatology tested, fragrance free, steroid free. Let's see. That would be this guy right there. The full size on this would be $14.99. And this is a, oh, it's an eczema soothing relief cream. I do not have eczema, so I will go ahead and hold this off because it says eczema repair cream. And again, I don't have that, so I'd rather put this aside and maybe go to somebody who does or knows somebody that does. But the full size would be $14.99 for a 6.76 fluid ounce, and this is a 0.17 fluid ounce. So that is everything that came in my box. So that is everything that came in my box for September. Again, we have the eczema relief cream. You have a shampoo and conditioner set to try. This Ciate London Dewy Stick. We have the brightening facial scrub, which I can't wait to try, and the NARS lip product, which I am loving. And again, this one item pays for the more than the entire box. So I am loving this month, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, do you get this? Did you get the same items? Do you want to get this? What did you think of this month's box? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. So definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, if you're not already, I greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, and then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.